Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your source and project settings so you don't waste time redoing work. Make sure you have a 10-bit or higher master or RAW/log footage. Once confirmed, create a 10-bit timeline using Rec. 2020 or DCI-P3 as your working color space. Connect an HDR-capable monitor and set a target luminance, for example 1000 nits for mastering. Then ingest and transcode footage to a high-quality mezzanine codec to preserve headroom for grading and tonality adjustments. Now you perform the critical color work. Convert footage to your working space with camera transforms or ACEs because you need accurate scene-referred material. Next, switch your grading tool to the target transfer, PQ for streaming masters or HLG for broadcast, and sculpt shadows, mids, and highlights to use extended HDR headroom. Use selective controls and high-quality LUTs only as creative starting points, and constantly monitor scopes and skin tones. Make sure highlight roll-off remains natural and clipping is avoided. Finish by exporting a high bitrate HDR master using a suitable codec like 10-bit HEVC or ProRes with HDR flags enabled. Include SMT SD 2086, max fall and max CLL values, and correct color primaries. Once done, create delivery variants, PQ or HLG, and a carefully made SDR downconvert using a verified tone map. Finally, perform device checks on an HDR TV and mobile display. If colors or brightness look wrong, check embedded metadata and ensure your player supports the HDR transfer. That fixes most delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.